Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Since the announcement on August 8, Elon Musk has been making it clear to his workers, suppliers, and customers that the days of a robotaxi are almost here. These cars will get us from point A to point B quickly, safely, and affordably. I can say that we're going towards something really huge. Wow! Fully self-driving cars are going to be possible. The robotaxi will be its own thing and will look very future optimist. Tesla's robot is also getting more attention. South Korea was Tesla's best market for sales in June, where the company sold almost 3,000 cars. After the Mercedes S-Class, the Tesla Model 3 is now the second most popular car that was brought in from another country. Another 4,000 to 5,000 people in South Korea have ordered the Model 3, but they might not get it until at least September. Also, last week, Tesla passed Toyota as the most valuable car company in the world. Cathie Wood from ARK Invest recently met with tech futurist Peter Diamandis to talk about her predictions for robotaxis. She called Tesla the unsung star of the next 10 years. Tesla's stock has gone up 9 times in a row, making it once again one of the Magnificent Seven. Even with this success, short positions have hit their highest level since 2021. They now make up 3.8% of shares, which is 31 million shares that have been sold short. We're going to look at what Tony Sagami, a Tesla bear, and Keith Fitzgerald, a Tesla bull, have to say. Besides that, Elon Musk talked about how famous Tesla's Model Y and Model 3 are in South Korea, where they are now the best-selling cars. Keep an eye out for an episode that is full of action, in-depth analysis, expert views, and the newest news about everything Tesla. For more fun stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. It's interesting to see Tesla's progress turn around after a rough year. People's mood had been pretty bad, even among long-term bulls with big positions. Tesla's stock price goes up and down a lot because it is very unstable, but its return to the Magnificent Seven confirms that it is a top tech company. It's interesting to see how Tesla keeps improving its fully self-driving technology. Some technical problems make it hard to use these end-to-end neural networks on a large scale, but early feedback on version 12.33 is positive. This progress is very important for robotaxis to reach its goal. The market is beginning to understand how important Tesla's work with these neural networks is, similar to how breakthroughs in other AI areas are. The lifting of the cloud over Elon Musk's pay package has also made people feel better. Let's now look at the positive points of view. Cathie Wood from ARK Invest has made some amazing predictions about the future of Tesla's robotaxi. At the yearly shareholder meeting, Elon Musk himself praised her analysis and said he really likes her point of view. The tech expert Peter Diamandis also talked to her. Let's look at that video clip. Tesla's robotaxis are on the way, and this will have huge effects. Safety is a very important part of the job. Almost every car on the road in the U.S. has an accident every 200,000 miles, but every 3.2 million miles, a Tesla with FSD has an accident, even one from 6 months ago. This comparison shows how committed Tesla is to safety, which is even higher than Volvo's image. With improvements in unboxed manufacturing, Cathie thinks Tesla is getting close to the age of robotaxis, which would make getting from point A to point B safe, quick, and cheap. She is sure that Tesla's robotaxi service will start running in the next 18 to 24 months. Tesla's fast progress in AI and large amount of data collection give her more trust. Elon Musk said that full self-driving interactions are becoming so rare that human supervisors might get bored because the system is so reliable. This gets Tesla closer to being able to make a lot of both human-driven cars and robotaxis in the same factory and switch between them based on demand. Cathie Wood thinks that more information about Tesla's Master Plan 4 will be available around October 8. This shows how quickly new ideas are being developed. A lot of what she said was similar to what she had already said, but it's important to go over these basic ideas again. Even though I don't think we'll be able to do level 5 tasks on our own in just 6 months, I agree with her opinion that it will take 2 years. About 70 to 75% of the time, I think this will happen in the next 2 years. If we go up to 3 years, I'd be even more sure. Within this time window, none of the other competitors can increase their production enough to make these cars at a price that is competitive. This makes it possible for Tesla to get a huge piece of the market with few competitors. And here's something most people might not fully understand. Tesla is the only company that can really compete with it in the market for self-driving rideshare cars right now. Tesla is way ahead of the competition and in the lead for this huge market chance. Companies like Waymo may do well in some places like San Francisco, but they don't have the right business plan to quickly build millions of cars across the US and Europe to be a real threat to Tesla. Tomorrow, we'll talk more about the economy of Waymo versus Tesla and what's going on with Spang's LiDAR technology. Elon Musk recently said, "Smart people indeed," when asked about the fact that Koreans own the most Tesla stock. Tesla's growth in South Korea is interesting. In Korea so far in the first half of 2024, the Model Y is the best-selling electric car. The Model 3 is in second place. The quality of these models has made them very popular in Korea, even though they were brought in from other countries. In Korea, sales of Tesla's Model Y have surpassed those of Mercedes-Benz and BMW in the luxury market. This upsets the established order of power between these brands. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen used to be the top import car brands, but now Tesla is in charge, which shows that people are shifting their tastes towards electric cars. Let's keep going with Cathie Wood's take on Tesla. Tesla is the hidden hero of the next 10 years, says Cathie. She thinks that Tesla's improvements in vehicle technology, especially its cheaper cars, will wipe out cars with internal combustion engines by making replacements that are cheaper, faster, and better. Traditional automakers are having a hard time. They are putting off work on electric and self-driving cars while increasing profits and buying back shares, which is not a good long-term plan. Tesla is more than just an automaker. It's also an energy company, an AI company, a business that makes humanoid robots, and it might be able to replace Uber. Each of these areas has the ability to make Tesla's value grow by a huge amount. The most important question is whether Elon Musk can keep these vows. The recent confirmation of this pay package gives him the drive to keep going, and it's very possible that he will become the first trillionaire. In ARK's model, they think that Tesla's Optimus robot will mostly increase productivity within the company and not bring in new customers from outside. This is a call choice that is similar to how they see energy storage. Elon Musk thinks that the market for energy storage could be as big as or even bigger than the market for self-driving cars. However, RK doesn't believe this because the market for self-driving cars, including China, is expected to bring in $10 trillion. There are some concerns about China's offer for Tesla to join their market. Some people think that China wants to figure out how Tesla's technology works because BYD and Apollo didn't work well. Others believe that China wants to be the leader in widespread robotaxis and learn from Tesla, just like they did with electric cars. It's important to keep in mind that all of these improvements are based on AI. China is also working on making lifelike robots, which is related to AI. For example, Unitree announced a robot that would cost $6,000. The price later went up to $32,000 because of taxes, and soon after, Elon Musk announced a robot that would cost $10,000. New ideas are coming up quickly. There are some important things to think about. To begin, RK may not be giving Tesla's energy side enough credit. New deployments and customer connections to grids show that the market is ready for Tesla's megapacks to be used on a large scale. About 18 months ago, analysts like JP Morgan Sartori were very excited about Tesla's energy potential, which was not seen as important at first. Recently, Tesla's CFO Zach Kirkhorn set a goal for margins of 25%. However, talks indicate that margins could go above this, which would have a huge effect on Tesla's bottom line. In 5 to 10 years, Tesla's energy business might not have the same earnings growth potential as the robotaxi opportunity, but it does have more potential than the current automotive market. Optimus and Tesla's other projects make the company's future look very bright because it has improved vehicle technology, made cars cheaper, and found energy solutions. Cathie thinks Tesla will be the unsung star of the next 10 years. Traditional automakers are having a hard time and are slowing down the development of electric and self-driving cars, but Tesla keeps coming up with new ideas. Tesla is more than just an automaker, it's also an energy company, an AI company, a business that makes humanoid robots, and it might be able to replace Uber. Each of these areas has the ability to make Tesla's value go up by a lot. Elon Musk's recent confirmation of his pay package has given him the drive to keep going, which makes it possible that he will become the first trillionaire. Like their view on energy storage, ARK's model assumes that Tesla's Optimus robot will increase productivity within the company rather than making sales outside the business. Elon Musk thinks that the market for energy storage could be as big as or even bigger than the market for self-driving cars. However, RK doesn't believe this because the market for self-driving cars has so much promise to make money. There are some concerns about China's offer for Tesla to join their market. Some people think China wants to figure out how Tesla's technology works, while others think China wants to be the leader in robotaxis and learn from Tesla like they did with electric cars. This is all part of the AI wave, and China is also working on making its own robotic robots. A lot of shorts think Tesla's